in the room. What are you doing? Why? Why did you break my bird?
I don't know why I broke those birds. If I take a look back, I guess I was aggressive when I was younger. But I was only as mad as the next child. Loads of people break things every day. It's just, it's hard to explain. I just love the kick you get out of it. The ones with the big price tags are the best. Or the ones that hold real sentimental value. There's nothing better than any intellectual conversation, romantic kiss, or cold beer. Or maybe, I don't know. I used to know, you know? I used to have a nice place, nice pad, real nice stuff in it too. But yeah, I broke it all. Smashed it to smithereens. My landlord knew. He wasn't too happy about it.
Stop making so much bloody noise, Frank. It's getting on me nut. I mean it, son. You're getting shipped out if it carries on.
Fruit comes in anything comes in threes. And so we have here this one man, mouth. This one.
I'd lock myself in and watch TV and imagine myself breaking all the props and scenery and furniture.
Fruit comes in anything comes in threes. And so we have here this one is man, mouth. This one, I think this one is because the way people like to see the world, if only we know that's the way.
All sorts of things came to that. The way that you open the newspaper and you read something about celebrity, all of that came to that place.
Brilliant. Thank you for talking us through
Welcome.
that. Thank you.
It got bad, frankly devastating. So I told myself, Frank, you need to sort yourself out. So I went over to see a therapist. He suggested channeling my energy into something new.
Why don't you try channeling your energy into something new? Have you got Tammy Abraham, by the way?
We're Big Boy Bassman.
He then told me to empty my flat of all my possessions and embrace the nothingness. I tried to feel the world turning, just like he said. It was good, but it wasn't groundbreaking. Things went south, and one thing led to my mother.
You're a clever boy, Frank. You're more than capable of overcoming this.
Having one arm useless meant half the picking up, which meant half the dropping. So, I broke the other arm. After I hurled, I went and I curled, and I thought, just maybe, humans are here to destroy the world.
Out. Out! Yes, out! What do you expect when you're smashing it over to me the same way every time? I'm trying. Trying? I'm trying! I'm down here every single night with you practicing you. I'm getting nothing from it. It's pathetic. Well, let's go again. I don't want to go again. I don't think you realise how frustrating it is playing with you when you're not even trying to change. Maybe you need to practice by yourself a bit, I don't know, I'm sorry. But just practice a bit more and you'll get better eventually. I'm sorry.
Frank, you'll get better eventually. I am sorry again, mate. But enough's enough.
Enjoyed some time did alone. I mean, I did I don't. Okay, I'm writing this down.
Hello? Everyone does weird stuff. I am trying to get better. Yeah, and I'm looking for a place. Yeah. I'm currently looking for a one-bedroom flat apartment in West London. Right, I do have my job back. Just call me back when you get the message. Ring you back tomorrow. You're alright, mate. Yeah, it's been a long time. I just wanted to pick up the phone and busy talk, really. I'm getting better. Well, I'm gonna hang up. Hi, this is Frank. Could you please give me a call back when you get this message? I'll hang up now.
I decided I was going to test myself.
Well done. Frank? Good job, Frank! You did it!
I am sorry for breaking those birds.